How to plant pineapple and create roots. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this pineapple right at the crown, right here. Just like this. And now I'm gonna go ahead and start peeling an inch from the tip. Now I'm gonna start peeling all these leaves off and inch up to the top. Just keep peeling all the way around. I find it easier to do it this way. Wow, look how lucky I am. Look, there's already roots. I'm gonna still go up about an inch, okay? Look, cool. I'm so lucky today. Look at that, look at the roots. Still going. I find it easier to hold the pineapple stem towards me than the other way. Keep going. Just like this. You see? Now I'm just gonna help it by exposing the root. I'm not cutting too deep. I'm just going just a little bit. You see the root there? Look. I'm gonna do this all the way around. Be careful. You see? Look at the root. Good. Just all the way around. Just like that. This will help the root grow faster. Just like this. Now I'm gonna also trim off this part right here just a little bit. Be careful, okay? Just a little bit. Just like this. It's long and narrow. So this way the leaves of the pineapple will hold the pineapple straight up, okay? And all you do is fill it with water. And you're gonna make sure that this is submerged in water to up to here. Very simple. See? See how it is holding it up? You want it just like this. The rooting process is gonna take 27 days. So I will keep you posted. Make sure to change out your water every 2 days to keep bugs and root rotting. And then you also could check on its progress too. So what do you do with the pineapple? Because it's too sour to eat right now. What I do is I cover it with cellophane for a couple days and then it will ripen up. How do I know? Because I already did it. Just like this guy. See?